looks like we won. Hello to you all. Today we are going to have another crypto market and stock market analysis for today, 17 June 2021. Give me a moment to prepare all the data and we'll go with stock market analysis 17 June 2021. And in this case we have BTC, Nasdaq, ATH and crypto. Okay, so now I have everything done, everything is set up. Let me put the chat here so I can have the chat as well, and then we will go with it. Okay, so yeah, we have for now, we have the BTC open, we have the ATH open, and of course, like always, I'll have to open as well the TOTUS. No TOTUS, one for all better. And maybe we are going to look and make some analysis for the scalper pairs as well, because I like how it's in. I believe we will have some movement, you know, overall. But yeah. So overall, let's go with the ATH. We can see we had a very good entry yesterday. Well, if you would enter with the 15 minutes, it would have been even faster. Like for example, let's take a look here, ATH USDT. And you can see in case of ATH USDT, our exit to have been at 2540. So we enter actually at 2450. So you will enter somewhere around here. And with this one, you will actually be even in profit, you know, from this last trade. However, overall, it still put us on positive. So it's still okay, you know, because we had 1-1. So we will be 3-2 at the moment, and this loss is 2.5 compared to the 3.7 win. Now we are waiting for another long confirmation in this case. But we can see we hit it exactly at the limit, because we have 4.4 and we hit it exactly at the limit, you know, the take profit. So overall, you know, overall good stuff. And in case of BTC, we can see that we have the entry at 37 or 36 if you would have used the other product. And in this case, it still put us in the 5%, but as you guys may already know, when we were around 41,000, I already wrote in chat multiple times that it should be better, you know, to exit in that moment, because, you know, taking a 10-11% profit, it's already pretty huge, honestly. So yeah, let's take a look at the total and see if there are no. You can see we had this movement here, like a double bot. And right now slowly it broke it, and now it started to go in that other direction. For example, with 15 minutes, we can see that we are still in the short sell. We still didn't appear, but if I go 5 minutes, you can see that it already started some hours ago. And yeah, in case of a 1 hour, we can see the 1 hour, we can see the double bot even better. So we will be this way. So we need it. It's kind of there in the limit, you know. It has to go above to 1.60 trillions in order to be fully confirm, you know, this breakup into it. But yeah, anyway, let's go first with the scalpers, because I'm thinking to publish a set of pair list, and of course, like always, we will also have a set of rules, you know, for these pairs. So let's get on with it. Let me make fast a clone of the file. So we had the last session. So our last session was on 14. Yeah, we had a 1.5% profit. Pretty good, you know, considering this market is so unstable right now. You know, a win is a win in the end, and that's what matters. So we have 17, and here as well put 17. Let me remove all of these, and this one as well. So in this case, let's go for the pairs. So I'm looking for this one. I'm going to make something new today. So let's go first with the, of course, like always, USDT pairs. And in this one, let's take a look at the latest movements. You can see that this one actually had a very nice smooth run for the last week, 100% win rate so far. pretty damn huge. Unfortunately, I don't like this latest entry. You know, it enter. You know, I don't like this latest entry, so I'm not so sure about it. MDT. Or maybe this one will continue again. Maybe, who knows. So XVS USDT. Let's go with another one with MDT USDT. Maybe, no, not so much. This one looks like it started to go down like crazy. Data USDT today again looks like data might have, but no. Waves USDT instead. This one looks flawless. Waves USDT looks like it's go flawless. NKN. Okay, sure, but we will need the continuation to be like this. NKN USDT to be the other one. Mask. Looks okay. Mask USDT. The next one, I'm going to put MDT as well in the end, you know. MDT USDT. Let's have it up. So we had Mask. Look at this BTG. No. GTO. Iris. Looks like Iris as well has a flawless run. Iris USDT. No. 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 Atom. Maybe Atom. Atom AXS. Okay. So Atom USDT AXS USDT. MDX. I don't like the entry, they are very low. But instead this one actually, no. These are leverage coins, so I don't want these. Engine, yeah, Engine USDT. Engine USDT might do some nice stuff. Let's take a look. Yeah, looks like it's good. No. Might be an interesting Zeta Cash, but so might be an interesting choice. Yeah, let me start one more time from above, and put. So, link, mask, data, waves, data, we didn't want it, we said NKN, BTG, we don't want it. Okay, so more or less we have this one. I want to check some special analysis, so in this case, for example, let's say we have what? We have 10 pairs. Let's take a look, I want to see as well on the BTC market. Let's see what we would have on BTC market. So you will have XVS, BTC looks like it's going the same way. Yeah. So here you will have XVS, BTC. At the same time we have MDT, BTC. Do we have waves as well here? Yeah, it looks like we have waves as well. You see, so waves BTC. NMR BTC, not so good, but NKN BTC, we have only one entry. So let's look at like this. Data, not waves, Yes. MDT. MDT. Did I put MDT? Yes, I put it. MDT. Iris. Okay. Okay. Yeah, kinda some of them, you know, they put the other, but I believe only those three they can work, but I will make it BTC actually ATH as well, pairs. And let's take a look at the ATH list and see if those coins beat them in the same way. So we can see waves, ATH, to be a good one, for example. Waves, ATH. XVS ATH looks like we don't have it. Data, we have it. Engine ATH, but not so great. So actually I'm going to keep only this one. And the last one, let's look on the BNB as well. And we can see XVS BNB if you want, and Waves BNB. Yeah, let's put those two as well. So Waves BNB and XVS BNB. So we will have this combination of pairs, BTC slash ATH slash BNB pairs. Okay, so we will have 16 pairs we will have in total. So yeah, let me make the announcement. Let's take a look at the rules that we want to have. So in this case, the rules is going to be, we want until here, so 1.65 below 1.565. Okay, so in this case for this one it's going to be 1.565, and in case of BTC, if it's going to go for BTC, we want 38,250. Okay, 38.25. Okay. So in case of BTC we had that one, in case of crypto market total we had the other one. I think overall they are pretty safe values. Maybe you can go with 1.556 if you want to go to the lowest low, but I think it's better to stay here. Yeah. If we go in negative, I believe it's going to be a good signal, you know, in order to exit from this. So yeah, overall, I'm going to take a look, of course, monitor this, and I'm going to manually call. Maybe we will make another exit. Maybe we will not have to wait until this hour, you know. Maybe we can wait less, like the last time. We will see. I will make a big announcement anyway if there are going to be some changes, you know. Wait a moment, please. Okay, so thank you. So the rules to stop. Okay, so the scalper list and the scalper message has been updated. Now let's take. Yeah, sure. What's the problem here? There we go. So this one can go out. Let's go one more time and see this stuff. We can see slowly the Bitcoin is pushing. Ah, yeah, let's take a look at the order book. Yeah, order book. Zero decimals. Oh, but I don't like it here. Let's go inside exchange itself. See what we can expect. Let's wait. Looks like 2.4. It's our resistance point, support point, sorry. And the resistance currently is at 2.5. So we are fighting in this channel. Kinda, it's like 50-50. From what we can see here, it's kinda like 50-50. Oh. A little bit actually 55-45. 55 for the bears. But look at this. We had a massive support on 2.3. So yeah, that's the lowest we can go. So we had 23 millions to reach 2.9 thousand, and we have 38 millions to reach 2.3. So yeah, the bulls have the power at the moment by this one. Very strong support here, and I believe slowly the market is going to continue in the up direction. These parts can be easily taken. 2.5 and 2.6. It can go back here easily. More than that, you can see that 2.7 and 2.8 is more. It's much higher, and it's much bigger. The wall here, so reach for this place might be a little bit harder, but 2.6 can be done. So if you look at this, that would be a 6% more or less growth. It can be achieved. But yeah, we will have to see how it's going to proceed. And let's take a look at BTC as well. Okay, so BTC USDT, what do we have? I'm clicking on BTC USDT and it gives me still the chart of ATH. It makes no sense, There we go. Not much better. We can see that 38, it's a strong one. Until 38 we have almost 19 millions barrier, and until 40, 39 we have 23. So yeah, looks like here and here we have this channel, we have this channel from 38 to 41, okay, where the market can go. So yeah, it can go by, I believe. It could. It's much probable at the moment to go to 40,000 than to go to 38, that's for sure, from this. Because like I said, look, 16 millions, and here we have 19 millions. Yeah, well, now we have to wait, and see how it will proceed. I'm happy with the entry from the short from yesterday. We literally hit the limit, 4.4 there on the take profit. Overall, okay stuff. So yeah, let's take a look maybe how these default values for totals would have performed. You can see we have the wall, the double bot, sorry, on the BNB right now. Yeah. In this case we had this entry on log, actually it was as well 9% in plus, and in the end it finished with 0.8 and it lost here unfortunately. Other USDT, looks like it's still on short. Yeah, not the best, maybe those aren't the best settings either for these ones. LTC, Bitcoin Cash, but honestly BNB is what I'm looking for in general with these settings that I have here right now. But yeah, you see this head and shoulder performed, and after that now we have the double bot, but we just have to wait to see if it's going to break further. But yeah, let's see how it will proceed. All guys, I will let you guys know in chat if there are any big changes. Okay, so yeah, at the same time let's take a look first at the stock market and see if we have any changes in the stock market, although I doubt it. Yeah, you can see we are still in the big long trade in case of Nasdaq. Yeah, we are still at 4% profit at the moment, still no change, still no exit. And in case of SP500 we can see same stuff. We have this entry here and we are right now at 1.5% in profit. So no big changes with both of them. They are still winning, and yeah, we just gotta wait. But yeah, we have a big crash yesterday. It was a 1.1% crash. It's pretty huge for SPX. Anyway, not so huge though. Still, it was big. That's for sure. Okay. So yeah, this is my analysis for now. For the current movement that we have, like I said, the channel that we have right now is 40,038 in case of BTC, and in case of ATH it's 2326. So we have much bigger movement here, that's for sure. So we'll have all this one. See, it's a 12% movement. So yeah, but overall we can see, like I said, we had kind of double bot, although not entirely, but we didn't manage to break it entirely. Yeah, let's see how it will evolve. I'll come back later on because I want to make the strategy for the patterns that I spoke about yesterday, you know, with the candlestick and stuff like that. So I'll come back later in a couple hours maybe, or maybe even faster. We are going to make that script together. So yeah, thank you all for watching. As always, here you can find all my data, and don't forget to follow the channel if you enjoyed. And yeah, we keep in touch. Good luck to you all, and see ya.